Hey everyone, I'm Erica, and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub, where we dive into the best gear to make your kitchen life awesome. Today, I'm super excited to talk about the Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender, a professional grade machine that's perfect for smoothies, soups, and more. If you're dreaming of restaurant quality blends at home, this blender might be your ideal match. Stick around and grab it at the best price using the Amazon link in the description. Let's blend in. Let's break down the features that make the Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender stand out. This high-performance blender comes with a 48-ounce container ideal for small to medium batches. It's powered by a 2-horsepower motor, about 1400 watts, that crushes ice, nuts, and fibrous veggies with ease. The E310 offers 10 variable speed settings for precise control, plus a pulse feature for chunky textures like salsa. Its hardened stainless steel blades are built to last, and the radial cooling fan and thermal protection system keep it running smoothly during heavy use. The low-profile container fits under most kitchen cabinets, and the BPA-free plastic is durable. It includes a tamper to push ingredients down for thick blends like nut butters, and all parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. You also get a recipe book and a 5-year warranty. The sleek black design looks sharp, and the 2023 model has improved blade efficiency for smoother results. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, this blender is a fantastic value at around $350, delivering professional-grade power for home use. The 2-horsepower motor blends anything smoothly, from green smoothies to hot soups. Customers love the variable speeds. One reviewer said it's perfect for customizing textures. The compact size is great for smaller kitchens, and the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. It's versatile for smoothies, dips, frozen desserts, and even grinding grains. The 5-year warranty offers peace of mind, and the sturdy build feels premium. It's quieter than older Vitamix models, making it great for daily use. On the con side, the price is higher than budget blenders, which might not suit everyone. The 48-ounce container is smaller than some Vitamix models, so large families may need a bigger pitcher. There are no pre-programmed settings, so beginners might need practice with the manual controls. The blades require careful cleaning, and some users find the tamper tricky for very thick blends. It's still louder than some newer quiet blenders on the market. So, should you buy the Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender? Absolutely. If you're a home cook or health enthusiast who wants reliable, pro-level blending in a compact package, it's perfect for those who value durability and versatility over a lower price tag. The power, control, and warranty make it a top choice. Before I wrap up, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more reviews. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, click the Amazon link in the description for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. It's an affiliate link, so your purchase supports the channel at no extra cost. Thanks for watching. If this review helped, please like, share, or subscribe. Let me know in the comments what kitchen gear you want to see next. Keep blending like a pro, and I'll see you in the next video.